How to solve this problem? X to the power of 4 minus 625 is equal to 0. X to the power of right, you have to write as it is. 625 we can write it as 5 to the power of 4. X to the power of we can write it as s square whole to the power of square minus 5 to the power of square we can write it as 5 square whole square is equal to 0. It is in the form of a square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Here in place of a we have x square, in place of b we have 5 square. A square plus 5 square, a square minus 5 square is equal to 0. A square plus 5 square is equal to 0. A square as it is, 5 square we can write it as 25, plus 25 you can shift to the right hand side, becomes minus 25. Taking square root on both sides, we get x is equal to plus or minus 25. We can write it as 25 times minus 1. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of minus 1 is I. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 5i. This is one solution. Next, a square minus 5 square is equal to 0. X minus 5, x plus 5. X minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 5. X is equal to minus 5. Therefore, we get the solution x1 is equal to 5. x2 is equal to minus 5. x3 is equal to plus 5i. x4 is equal to minus 5i. These are the solution. These two are complex solutions. This is how we get the solution. Thank you for watching.